How to write 375 thousandths in standard form? Standard form means in standard form we use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 digit, right? So to this is a number in word form. Look, the last word is thousands. This means that this is a decimal number. Okay, and before this word we have 375. So this is 375. Then 1000 times 1 over 1000. Thousands means 1 over 1000. Before that we have 375 this. Now multiply. Out of 1000 equal parts we are considering 375. Now divide. This is a power of 10, so just count the number of digits and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. 10 to the power 3 means 1000. This is power of 10. So move decimal from here 1 to 3 as we have 3 zeros. So we are getting decimal 375. You can add a 0 to mean that the whole number part of this decimal is 0. So this is the standard form. Look here, after decimal we have tens place, hundreds place and thousands place, right? Thousand, tens place means 1 over 10. The value of this column is 1 over 10. Hundreds means the value of this column 1 over 100, like this, right? So now you know how to write 375 thousandths in standard form. This is the standard form, means decimal form here.